Today I will speak about the importance of Salah. Salah is not just a duty, it is a gift for our daily life. Firstly, Salah gives us peace when we pray. Our mind becomes calm and our heart feels relaxed. Secondly, Salah teaches us discipline. Praying 5 times in a day, it helps us follow a routine and manage our time properly. The Creator says in the Quran, وَأَقِيمِ الصَّلَاةَ وَآتُوا الزَّكَاةَ وَارْكَعُوا مَعَ الرَّاكِعِينَ. Suratul Baqarah, verse 43. Thirdly, Salah keeps away from bad things. It's reminder us that Creator is always watching us. So we try to do good things and avoid bad activities. The Creator also says in the Quran, Inna salata tanha anil fahsha wal munkar. Suratul Ankabut, verse 45. Finally, Salah makes our connection with Creator strongly. We can thank Him, ask for forgiveness, and seek guidance. So, my dear friends, the reminder is Salah is not a bound, it is a blessing that our life better and more meaningful. I hope we all regular in praise and may our Creator help us and guide us to stay right path. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.